Today we're trying Gyaru makeup. I'm nervous. You guys couldn't have picked something harder for me to do, but so many of you have been asking for this. Let's just freaking do it, even though I'm very anxious and nervous. First, we're going to prime our face with the best primer out there. For Gyaru makeup, we want tan skin. I may have put too much. It's okay if I did. This is heavy in your face makeup. I'm so nervous. Mix it in with this e.l.f. Halo Glow because it's a little bit darker than what I needed. And I think this will help tone down how much bronzer I have on. There we go. And let's put a little bit of our Super Stay foundation and mix it all together. I'm almost out of this one, but I have a backup. In areas to help smooth it around. I probably should have done color corrector first. What a dough. I am just like all over the place. I rub everything into my hands first and just kind of mix it up and see if I got tanned enough. I don't think we're tanned enough. How we're going to fix the tan, I'm going to add some of these directly to my thing. I don't know, my brush. I'm having a hard time today. Speaking is like not becoming of me. All right, we'll blend this in. That's a little bit more. I don't know. This is difficult. I'm not used to being a tanned girly. Your girl is a pale girly for life. All right. I'm going to spread this out and pray to God that I'm at least tanned. If not, we're going to heavy contour. I have way too much product on my face. My brush is almost wet. I'm going to use a beauty blender and get some of this off and try and get more tanned. Chose hard mode for today. This is about as tanned as the base is getting, but like if you compare it to my natural skin tone, that's quite tanned for me. Kind of. Yeah. The e.l.f. Halo Wand Beauty Wand Contour thing. Using this. We're basically just going to contour everything up and kind of contour more than I would because we want to look darker. Now we want rounder cheeks, so I'm going to kind of contour like this. That way they look rounder. And I'll contour like right here as well. They have much thinner chins and jaws than mine, so we'll cover up my little jaw area. Also, go in here, bring that down. It's going to help add some dimension and some color. And right in here. That way our eye is like ready to go. How are you today? Blush, I'm seeing this Morphe Cool Tone blush. This is my favorite blush right now. Look at it. It's going to be perfect for this. We're going to apply it more down here. This is going to make my cheeks look fuller and just more rounded. We're going to build it up. The first thing we're going to do is do a trace of a puppy dog liner. I'm going to use a nude eyeliner. That way if I mess up, it's not a big deal. Basically, we're going to go and make it straight like this, because that's going to be like the part of my eye that looks elongated right here, or like it's a part of my eye now. There is the harsh outline. I'm going to do it to the other side, and this is just so I have a good idea of where to place pigment that's not as easy to move around as this. Before I do anything else, I'm going to take some of my Huda Beauty setting powder and set underneath my eyes. That way nothing's budging, nothing's moving. All right, now that that's set, we're going to take our Danessa Merrick's. This is some of the best products on the market. We put it on the back of our hand, just a little bit. You do not need a lot of this. That's all I'm putting, and I definitely have more than I need. What we're going to do now is take a breath, calm our nerves. We can do this. I am so anxious. This is going to be fine line work. This is going to take some focus. I'm not going to talk during this. I'll speed this up. I'm going to get some pigment on my brush. Brush out any excess. We'll start with our bad side first, as always. Whoo, whoo, whoo. We got one side done. Sorry for the whoo, whoo, whoo. But now I gotta do this side. I'll do that off camera. It's a darn good start, and this stuff will not move. Once it's dried down, she's staying. It's your wedding day makeup type. The only thing I'm gonna do to make this look more real is basically go in on the inside. Basically like that. I'm gonna go in with this beautiful light shade right here. It's a really good transition color. Reverse contour a little bit here and kind of go underneath as well. Just like that. Like that would be the underneath of your eye. I'm gonna fill in the whole eyelid with this beautiful light pink because the wig we're gonna wear is gonna be really cute and pink. Now we're gonna take this beautiful neon pink and we are going to basically put it in our crease. Just like this, and build it up out here. Just basically to make the eye look super big and go quite a bit above your crease as well and pull it out. Just adding a little bit more just to make the eye pop a little bit more. Now we're going to take this beautiful angled brush and we're going to go with this gorgeous, it's like a purpley shimmer. And it's just going to look so good in our crease. Oh, it really does. That shimmer is just something else. Just like that, kind of build it up around. Lovely. Use our finger and go in with this gorgeous pink shimmer and put it right directly on our eyelid with our finger. This is going to give you the most pigment payoff that you can get. With your whitest shadow, and we're going to go directly underneath the eye, just like that, to give it extra dimension. Make sure to get it on the inner corner as well. It's just going to really splice up that look. Going back in with our Denisomerics, this is the shade Lift, and we are going to fill in the bottom of the eye with this because it's not going to move. Super fine brush, dipping in the white, no talking. All right, I'll fix it up. I'll do this side and I will fix up the black line. Time for the top liner. Now I'm not going to be able to really speak through this either, so give me grace. And I'm going to fill that in. I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and really darken this up. Bring the eyeliner in quite a bit. I'm also going to kind of go in here. Now the other side. We're going to add a little bit of contour underneath our eyes. That way it looks a little bit more like this could actually be our eye. And you do it directly underneath the white. Some black eyeliner and do some like fake little bottom lashes. So wish me luck. Oh my god, the three alone is just cute. Nose is going to be ultra contoured, the most harshest contour you've ever done in your entire life. We're going to outline the outline of my nose. Outline the outline. Don't even know what I'm saying. But yeah, we're going to bring it harsh and pull it down. And we're going to make it like a really cute thin nose. Taking that same white and going straight down the nose-ish. I'm going to do a little bit of a different shape. Right here. Really highlight that area. A little bit right there. A little in here. Alrighty, I'm going to go do some finishing touches and show you the final look. And this is the final result. What do we think? I messed up so bad on the eyelashes, so the wig is totally saving everything right now. I tried to do a little bit of extra decor and make it look super cute. You're going to have to go watch the transitions, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!